friends, it's Miss Beth and today is Storytime Day. And Miss Ella is joining us today. Good morning, Miss Ella. Are you here to listen to the great story that we're going to read about seasons? Oh, you're going to learn so much. I'm so excited. All right, today we are going to read a nonfiction story about seasons because guess what? In a short while, a new season is going to be coming to us, and the season is called spring. Now, we're not there yet. We're still in winter, but we're going to be moving over to spring. So I thought we'd refresh our memory and read a little bit about what the seasons are all about. So this was written by Jane Brockett, and the publisher is Millbrook Press, Minneapolis. And this is called Jane Brockett's Clever Concepts, Rainy, Sunny, Blowy, Snowy. What are the seasons? Let's find out. We are going to talk about seasons. A season is a time of year. We can divide each year into 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. How do we know which season it is? There are many signs. We can look at the weather, the light, and nature. Let's find out more. In spring, the days grow longer and lighter. Leaves and blossoms appear on trees. Plants begin to grow and push their way through the soil. See? Baby animals are born. Spring feels fresh and cool and breezy. There are pale blue skies and fluffy white clouds, showers, and sunshine. Spring colors are clean and fresh. Spring is a time to run around and play outside, plant seeds, pick daffodils and tulips, and jump in puddles. Splish, splash, splosh. In summer, the days are long and sunny. The sky is deep blue. Leaves are emerald green. Gardens are full of bright flowers. The sun shines, the air is still, and we can hear insects buzzing. Summer feels hot, sunny, warm, and shimmery. It's time for sunglasses and bare feet. But sometimes dark clouds appear, thunder rumbles, and we run for shelter. In summer, we can play outside all day long, go swimming, and pick strawberries. We can eat ice cream to keep cool and just take it easy. In fall, the days grow shorter. The leaves change color from green to gold, yellow, rust, and orange. Spiders spin webs and berries ripen on trees and bushes. Fiery sunsets match the color of the leaves. Fall feels crunchy, crispy, blustery, and blowy. Gusts of wind blow leaves off trees and hats off heads. We need to wear sweaters and socks to keep warm. Hello, Ella. You enjoying the story? Good girl. It's time to carve pumpkins, gather leaves, pick crisp apples and juicy plums, harvest crops, and plant bulbs for next spring. In winter, the days are short and the nights are long. Skies are gray and dull or pale and watery. The trees are bare and spindly. Winter feels cold and frosty. The air is nippy and the wind is biting. It may be snowy and icy or dry and clear. Trees and plants stop growing in winter. It's time to wrap up in thick coats and watch the sunrise in a silvery sky. Or stay indoors and keep warm and cozy under blankets with a mug of hot cocoa. So here we are at the end of our story, and we've learned a lot about what happens in different seasons. And it says, can you describe the seasons where you live? So these are the seasons where we live. The Midwest has the 4 seasons. It says, which season do you like the best, or do you like them all? Do you have a favorite season? Can you tell me? Tell me. Oh, those are good. I like them all. I like the seasons. I like to change in and how it goes from one season to the other. It makes it kind of fresh and new. And this winter has been nice and snowy and cold, and so I appreciate that too. Anywho, what season is your favorite? I can't wait for you to tell me. All right, I'm Miss Beth. This has been Jane Brockett's Clever Concepts, rainy, sunny, blowy, snowy. What are the seasons? And I enjoyed reading that to you very much. I hope you have an absolutely fantastical day, and I will see you next time.